Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do a video or a tool review on this Chicago Electric / Harbor Freight 1,000 pound capacity welding cart. This came obviously unassembled in the box, so I went ahead and assembled it. I didn't think that was really necessary to show you how to assemble it since it was pretty easy. But let's go over some of the features. As with most welding carts, they usually come with a top shelf, which is right here, a middle shelf for putting gloves, wire wheels, and a bottom shelf that you can fit a helmet, a welding helmet on. And also, in the back, it has a platform or shelf for a gas cylinder bottle, and it comes with two chains for securing the bottles when you're moving the cart around. Now these chains are actually loose. As you can see, it's just hanging on the inside. All it is a slot. I don't know if you can see the hole. There's a hole there for putting the chain to, and then there's a slot that goes down if you turn the chain like 180, and it stays there. What I'm probably going to do in the future is actually on the inside here, attach it permanently with a little bolt and washer, and then just have one side be the hooking side if I decide to use this for an actual welder. For my purpose, I'm actually going to be putting this Chicago Electric 240 volt plasma cutter. That's what I'm going to use the cart for. And I already measured it, and the top shelf is actually very close to the same size as the plasma cutter. And so it's going to fit pretty good. It comes also with two hanging, there we go. Two hanging hooks. There's one here, and there's one right there. And that's usually for the power one, like this one, and the ground cable, which is that one over there. The power cord back there obviously is going to hang off here in the back, but what I'll probably do is also make another hook here, since I'm not going to be using the bottle for right now. Put another hook here so I can just hang the power cord, or I can just loop it down in this tray, take the chains off for now, put that on the inside, and then go from there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the plasma cutter on top and everything in its place, and show you how that looks. Yeah, I forgot to mention also, obviously it's portable, it's movable. It's got two fixed wheels in the back, these big wheels here, and it's got two steering wheels in the front, right there, the swivels, two swivels for ease of movement. It doesn't actually have like a handle or anything, but there's like a little lip right here on the top shelf that you can just pull and move it around, as you need to. This shouldn't be too difficult. Like I said, once the weight of the plasma cutter's on there, you can just grab onto the sides and move it around. Well, here it is. I put the plasma cutter on there, and you can see that it fits no problems. Got extra room on the side. Power cord, like I said, I wrapped down, put it down over there. The torch cable hanging right there on the right hand side, since it comes off here in the corner. There we go. And I got the ground cable also wrapped on the right side since it comes off of right there and it hangs right there. And I went ahead and put my welding helmet or cutting helmet right there in the bottom shelf for now. And then of course middle shelf, I could put some gloves on there as well to hold it in place. And there it is. Like I said, what I did was I took my plasma cutter from off of my welding cart because I got a new TIG slash stick welder that I'm going to put next to the other welder. Keep them together and keep the plasma cutter by itself in this cart. So here you go, guys. I know it's kind of bright over there and the phone doesn't want to focus, but there it is. Quick little tool review about the cart and how it looks with the actual tool on it. And as you can see, it's easy to pull and move around. No problem. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about this cart. And also, I picked it up on one of those parking lot sales with a 20% off. It was very cheap. Alright, thanks again. Bye.